Hey, what's happening, Stinking Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know. Go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
With this video, we had the updates and recaps. Starting off with the update. So technically, my brother was right. Jordan did release some Jordan 1 lows on December 28th. He released a black pair, a women's pair, both of them. All sizes are pretty much still there, so you want those, go and cop them. They also released on the same day a Jordan 1 Mid and a Jordan 1 Mid SE Craft. Again, both sizes are remaining on Nike.com, so you want those, going to pick those up, sneakerheads. So moving on to the Jordan recaps, starting off with the December 19th, we did have those Jordan Nike Mac Attack. This was a collaboration with Travis Scott. As you know, as usual, all sizes sold out. Again, this was a cheap price of $120. So, of course, for a big flip for resellers out there, they're going to make that money. These shoes are going for around $400 a piece. So, of course, they sold out instantly. I did go for those. I did take an L. So, how about let us know in the comments, think ahead, that you were able to cop those? What we got next, my brother?
So on December the 20th, we had those Jordan 14s. Right now, sizes 8 through 10, according to Nike.com, is still available. Asking price for those were $200. So if you're looking to cop those, they are still available on Nike.com, but the only sizes are available are 8 through 10. What we got next, my brother?
So finishing off on December 23rd, this was the last Jordan release before Christmas. This shoe came out at a price point of $180. This is that Celadon Sky J Light. I think most of the sizes did kind of sit a little bit, but right now they're all sold out. This shoe is still going on the retail. You can still get these on StockX. My size 10, is going for $159. So if you want these, go on and cop them. But like my bro said, this is a clean colorway for the spring and summer. If you want to hold these for next year, these will be nice, and we'll see a lot of people rocking those because they sold out.
Yes, sir. Hey, if y'all continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.